Welcome to our classes, and this is IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics 2021 solution. We'll be solving from 44. They've given that x, y, z follows the three-dimensional real plane, and this is the relationship between x, y, and z. And alpha is the value of the integral. Then what is the value of 384 alpha? Okay, so this integral look like in this way: x equal to 0 to 1, y equal to x to 1 and z equal to y to 1. So x, y, z, dx, dy and dz. So 0 to 1, x to 1, xy, z square by 2, y and 1, dx and dy. 0 to 1, x to 1, xy by 2, xy cube by 2, dx and dy. 0 to 1, x by 2, y square by 2, x to 1 minus x by 2, y4 by 4, x to 1 and dx. So half 0 to 1, x by 2, 1 minus x square, x by 4, 1 minus x4 and dx. So here half x square by 4, x4 by 8, x square by 8 minus x6 by 24, and this is 0 to 1 again. So just put the value half, 1/4, 1/8, 1/8, 1 by 24. Half by 24, so 1 by 48. So 384 alpha is 384 into 1 by 48. So 8 times. So 8 is the answer. Next question. F0 and F1 is the probability mass function given. Consider the problem of testing the null hypothesis H0 x of F0 against H1 f of x1 based on the single sample x. If alpha and beta respectively denote the size and power of the test of the critical region, then 10 into alpha plus beta equal to what? So in this case, C is x less than 3, so alpha equal to probability of x greater than 3 by F0, so alpha equal to 0.1, 0.1, 0.5. These three, so 0.7. Beta equal to P of x greater than 3 by F1. So 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2. This is 0.6. So 10 into alpha plus beta is 10 into 0.7 plus 0.6 is 10 into 1.3, so 13 is the answer. In 46, there are 5 observations, 5, 10, 4, 15 and 6 observed from a random variable of sample 5 from a distribution of PDF. Where theta is known, then the maximum likelihood estimate of theta based on the given sample. So n equal to 5, f of x theta is given this function, the MLE. So L is belongs to this f of x comma theta. So L of e minus summation of xi e to the power 5 theta. So log L equal to this is gone, so 1. So summation of xi 5 theta. So di d theta is 0 plus 5 is greater than 0. So MLE is minus summation of xi plus 5 theta equal to 0. So theta hat equal to summation of xi by 5. So 50 by 5. So this is 10. So this 50 I got by the adding. But theta hat equal to lies between minus infinity to 3. So theta hat is 3. Next one.